So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm making $500 to $3,000 per day commissions every single day with affiliate marketing, promoting high ticket products. So as you can see here, right, in my back office, I just made over $3,000 in 24 hours today passively using only my email system. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to review exactly how I did it step by step so that you can have the total understanding as a newbie, as a beginner, as someone who wants to make money online on how it's done properly step by step. As you can see here, right, I had $2,050 commission, and after that I got another $500 and $550 commission, so over $3,000 in 24 hours. Now the beauty of this system is that I keep 100% of all the commissions. So if I make a $2,000 sale, I keep $2,000. If I make $500 sale, I keep $500, and that's the beauty. But how I did it, as you can see over here, the system gives you the email autoresponder. What is that? It means that you have preloaded emails inside your back office, right? You can log in with your username and password, and you will have preloaded emails and traffic. So if you join at the highest level at Vertex Live, you will receive bonus clicks, buyers clicks, traffic sent to your affiliate link. So if one of these person, as you can see here, right, decides to buy or not buy, some of them not buy, they don't buy, right, you will still make money with this when you get a sale. So you can see I made one sale here from this traffic, one sale here, another sale here. So I made $3,000 with this system. So exactly, let me show you how it's properly done. So over here, I'm going to show you on the slides so you can properly understand what traffic I used and how I did it, which is really, really important, right? So let me go from the beginning. I'm calling this matchmaking for profit. Why? Because I did not spend a dime on ads. Why? Because of the borrowed list. So I just borrowed the list from other influencers who are already in the niche of making money online, right? And what I did is simply matched. I matched what? I matched the offer, business opportunity, with parade. What is parade? Audience, people. And then I put my email doc in between to make those sales, right? So I use my own email system because I know what converts, what to work with audiences in this space, in this niche, right? So why I'm making these sales is because of how I position my offer as a no risk and no brainer proposition. It's really important. If you do this correctly, right? If you have someone to guide you through step by step, you can have really great results because you don't have to spend lots of money on ads. I always say only stupid people overpay for ads, right? If you overspend for traffic, you are not smart because, be honest, if I go in the past 2-3 years ago, I spent way too much money on ads. And now I realized I was stupid because I could save lots of money on ads if I knew what I know now, right? So you don't know what you don't know. You need to have someone to guide you through and to show you the ropes of how it's done, right? And the best thing is, if you have the system like this, you can achieve way more better results. Please stay until the end of this video because I'm going to review exactly all the bonuses that you're getting and how I'm making this kind of commissions. You see over here, why now, right? I don't do a bunch of this scarcity stuff at all. I would personally say $2,000 a week in my pocket or your pocket is our bare minimum goal, right? Because you're making $2,000 commission per sale directly deposited into your Stripe account, Bitcoin or wire transfer to the bank. So imagine this, if you get paid 100% commission, $2,000 per sale, how many sales you need to make $10,000 per month, right? Just ask yourself this. You just need, let's say, 5 sales per month to make $10,000, right? So you can see why it might be really expensive for you to wait, right? If you can make these kind of commissions every single day. So everybody's asking me what kind of traffic should I use? What kind of tools should I use? And I always say we all get hung up on these tools, right? Because it doesn't matter what kind of tools you use to fish, right? If you go to fish, fish pay very little attention to the tools, right? It's all about fish, how big is the fish, and the location that we use, right? So this is really important, fish and location. Now, some people ask me, what is better? TikTok, webinars, Facebook ads, Instagram, funnel. Those are all tools, my friends. If you're watching this video, my friend, this is tool. It's called tool for a reason. It's social platform. TikTok, social platform, webinar, tool, right? It doesn't matter what to use if you're fishing in your toilet, right? If you just go to your bathroom, you don't have to go to the sea, you don't have to pay for traffic. You go to your own toilet, your own bathroom, and fish. It's free money, it's free, right? It's free audience. So remember this, it's not about the tools, it's about the location and the audience. Again, it doesn't matter what kind of vision board you create, how many self-help books you read from Tony Robbins or Jim Rohn, it doesn't matter, right? You have to take action now and use the proper location and proper fish. That's really important, right? So, what is my bonus with this system? My bonus is fancy deeper templates and training. So what basically you are getting specially step-by-step customizable email templates that you can integrate into your email autoresponder and send out to your audiences, right, to the people. So I'm showing you exactly social media free traffic, organic way with emails, and also paid traffic if you really want to try, for example, Google ads, right, and generate some leads from Google, but you don't have to, right? Because with the tools that we have here, you can get it for free, traffic for free, make $2,000 or $4,000 or $6,000 first, and then you can go and use that money next day and invest $500 if you want into Facebook ads or Google ads and get more leads. But first of all, I'm going to show exactly for free traffic, how you can get the results, right? So you will thank yourself for making this investment, because every time you pull out your fancy tippers email, right, templates, I'm sure, I guarantee you that you will crank out more profit, more revenue in one email than most people make in a month, right? It's really important because you don't have to have special copywriting skills. You can write as a 6th grader and all this is done for you. 90% of the work is done for you. So take advantage of it. Now claim your bonus. And what I'm also giving you is my Rainmaker $10,000 campaign, right? So how comforting would it be for you if you know that the Rainmaker email campaign is so proven that we can closely predict the amount of income from the 10 to 14 days. You join today for Vertex Live for $2,500 and you're getting paid up to $2,350 per sale, right? Okay, now you know the numbers. Let's say $2,000 per sale. So what you can expect within my email program additionally as a bonus. Let's do the math. Take the numbers of opens you get in your email, right? How many people click and open the email, and multiply by $25 if you promote a $500 offer, or by $35 if you promote a $1,000 offer with this system. Let's say $1,000 offer, right? If you get 1,000 people who click and open on your email, and you promote a $1,000 offer with this system, you multiply this by 1,000 times, times $35. So expect that on these results you take out around 35,000 US dollars. Our goal is only 10,000. You don't have to do 1,000 opens. You can have 500 opens, you can have 300 people open the email, and you will pull out over $10,000 US. So that's the magic, that's the beauty of this system. Because you don't have to show your face if you don't like to. You can, but you don't have to. So it works really, really well. I'm trying to give you exact image, step by step, of how it's done. Right? All of these are my personal bonuses. You're also getting training from the system. You're getting video material, step by step, so you can plug in and play. And also our community around us. So we have community with like-minded people who are working together. So yes, you're not alone in this. You have a community. We help each other grow and succeed. So take advantage of that. So what to do next? So if you want to get the results, if you want to make money with this system, with affiliate marketing, and have $2,000 or $1,000 or $500 commissions per day sent straight to your bank account or Stripe, then what you do is just click the link below this video and create free account with 10kmojo.com. So the links are in bio, in the description below, and upgrade to Vertex Live. So if you have more questions regarding that, you can also reach me out on my social media. You can reach me out on Facebook. You can reach me out on Instagram. So if you don't see my Instagram, you can check over here. I always say the best thing is to be a living proof, living example of success. You see over here, exotic places, traveling around the world for years. So I do this for a very, very long time, and affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to enjoy life, have time, freedom with your family, right? And make huge income online. So again, thank you for watching. Please click the link below this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more helpful tips.